Lang. Ya.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our presentation. Today we will be presented the materials. We start. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Jadi Hanifa with NPM 77 and my friend.
My name is Lisdarina Handayani with NPM 80.
Okay, let's go to the material. The first material will be explained by myself. The background. The development of the concept of gravity from Newton's law of universal gravitation to Einstein's general theory of relativity represents a major advance in human understanding of the universe. Newton explained gravity as the force of attraction between masses, which was effective in explaining many classical physical phenomena. However, its limitations the very to Einstein's general theory of relativity, which revolutionized our view of gravity as the curvature of space-time due to mass and energy. This paradigm shift not only deepened scientific knowledge, but also had a broad impact on modern technology and philosophical understanding of the structure of reality. Okay, next, the theory and historical development. Newton's law of gravity is an important foundation in classical physics by mathematically explaining the force of attraction between objects with mass. To overcome this limitation, Einstein developed the general theory of relativity in 1915. He defined gravity not as a force, but as a result of the curvature of space-time by mass and energy. This theory is able to explain and predict phenomena that are beyond Newton's laws, such as the bending of light and gravitational waves. Overall, although Newton's laws are still relevant in everyday situations and weak gravitational fields, the general theory of relativity provides a more complete and accurate understanding of the universe, a space and time into a space-time that can be curved by mass and energy. In this framework, gravity is no longer an attractive force and as in Newton laws, but rather the result of objects following straight geodesic paths in curved space-time. Overall, general relativity not only addresses the weaknesses of Newton, also opens up new horizon in modern astrophysics and cosmology, becoming an important pillar in our understanding of the universe. by Lisda Arina.
Okay, next material, analysis, physical and technological implication. The phenomenon of lines bending by gravity and the application of relativity in the GPS system show how important the general theory of relativity is in understanding mati cuy. Nggak ada ininya. Sampai mana tadi? Ulang aja ulang. Okay, next material, analysis, physical and technological implication. The phenomenon of lines bending of gravity and the application of relativity in the GPS system show how important the general theory of relativity is in understanding and running modern technology and the phenomena of the universe. The bending of lines proves that gravity affects the part of lines because space-time curves around like a meshes. This effect demonstrated in the eclipse experiment and also in the phenomenon of gravitational lenses. Strengthens the validity of general relativity and becomes an important tool in modern physical. Mati coy sinyal. Tool in modern cosmology. Conclusion. From this discussion, it can be conclude that the understanding of gravity has evolved from Newton's classical news, which states gravity as that force of attraction between masses, to extend modern view in general relativity, which explains gravity as the curvature of space-time due to mass and energy. General relativity is not only able to explain phenomena that Newton's theory cannot answer, such as the precession of Mercury's orbit and the deflection of lines, but also has practical applications such as the GPS system. Thus, this theory is important milestone in modern physics, which shows the close relationship between scientific theory, observation, and technology. Okay.
Okay, thank you to Lisda Arina for your explanation. Maybe this of all for our presentation. Thank you for your attention. I will close it. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oke.